Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe.
Good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're still up here winding up the final meetings and getting sponsors and jury and everything for our Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards. It's going to be right here we're in Sopot, right here in Sopot on the Radisson Blue Hotel. Now, if you don't know where Sopot is, it's in the north of Poland on the Baltic Sea between Gdansk and Gdynia. We have a great schedule starting in the morning with speed networking, breakfast, and then we've got a few panels on office, investment, retail, development, residential, PRS, and of course, this year we have a great panel on hotel and hotel. What are the opportunities for brands and what star hotels will work around the Baltics? We also, if you book right away, you go to our website, which is this balticrealestateawards.eu, and you can book the Radisson Hotel. They still have a few rooms left. You can book the Radisson Hotel, 15% discount. Go on our website. You can find the link, and the code or the word to get the 15% is Europa. So you put Europa, you get 15% discount from the hotel. I would say book the hotel right away because it's getting to be season, and they even said they're filling up. So we've got time yet. Book the hotel. The tickets for the event you can get, of course, later on in the month. But book the hotel. There's also the Marriott right next to it. A few nice, really nice hotels, literally 100 meters from the beach. Great place. So if you want to, come out, it's May 25th, and if you want to get away from the city a little bit, whatever city you're coming from, great place to spend the Thursday, Friday, or even come for the whole weekend. Great spot here, but 15% discount on the hotel. Go ahead and book that right away. Now we'll shoot over to Winston for the headlines, and we'll be right back.
Good Monday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show and welcome to Panattoni Cafe. And here are the headlines for today. And SCE Shopping Centres has exceeded 3 billion euros in turnover for the first time. A retail pottery portfolio has been closed in Poland. And Savills Investment Management has added a 100 million residential portfolio to its living platform. And IWG has opened a new Regis office building in Hungary.
So, great headlines, Winston. And Winston, of course, is doing the Coffee with Craig show broadcasting from the Panattoni Cafe in Warsaw. Great place to be. I'll be there next week with him, and he'll be talking about that. But we want to make sure that you get the hotel booked because they did say they're filling up quick for our Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards May 25th. So check out the website. We got a little bit of information. We'll come right back. A little bit of a break. We'll come right back with Winston, filming from the Panattoni Cafe and giving you all the news for the day.
Welcome back, and as you can see, we're in Panattoni Cafe today, and here are the news from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And SEE shopping malls has proved extremely popular in 2022, and bricks and mortar retailers regained a foothold. The gross sales turnover continued to grow in the past year, with sales up 18.5% and a turnover of 3.1 billion euros. SCE manages a total of 30 shopping major destinations in 6 countries, including 27 shopping malls, 2 retail parks and 1 managed shopping street, covering 830,000 square meters of lease space in Austria, Slovenia, Croatia, Northern Italy, Hungary and Czech markets. And according to Christoph Aldexlinger, he's the CEO of SE Spa European Shopping Centres, alongside our retail partners, we focused once again on our customers in 2022. We are also investing in on-site construction, focusing primarily on measures that significantly promote sustainability, especially energy efficiency, both of which are particularly relevant to our visitors. staying in the retail industry and moving to Poland. And Avison Young has represented a global investment manager in the sale of a portfolio of 4 retail centres in Poland. The 4 facilities are located in the cities of Szczecin, Koszalin, Wałbrzych and Szczecin. And the total area is 15,000 square metres of GLA. On legal matters, the seller was advised by Dentons. And all cities facilitate a food operator, including Lidl, Biedronka and Intermarché as the main tenants. And the buyer plans to refresh some of the acquired assets and re-commercialise them. And according to Avison Young, this transaction confirms that established retail formats located in central, convenient locations, which can be acquired at attractive pricing, continue to be the subject of interesting transactions throughout the country. Moving to the residential sector, and Savills Investment Management has entered into an agreement to acquire 6 fully let residential assets in Sweden for 100 million euros for its European living platform. The portfolio is located in university cities of Sweden and is built with strong ESG profile. And Savills was advised on the transaction by Rochier, and the seller is K2A. And will be retained as the property manager of the assets. And according to Patrick A. Young, Senior Fund Manager at Savills Investment Management, we believe that time is now for the European residential sector. The fundamentals are robust and the supply and demand imbalances are acute and likely to remain persistent. And finally for today, IWG is opening a flexible workspace in Szeged in Hungary as demand for hybrid working rapidly accelerates. The opening is delivered in partnership with Sidrus Liget, who chose the IWG flexible workplace platform and has entered into a management agreement with the Regis brand. And according to Mark Dixon, CEO and founder of IWG, our opening in Szeged comes as time when more and more companies are discovering that flexible working boosts employees' happiness and satisfaction while helping the environment.
Winston, thank you for that. And once again, thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be broadcasting a little bit from around the region as many different things are happening. And as you know, it's high season now for events as well. And we're sponsoring a few, so we'll see you around the region, around town, and enjoy the rest of the week, enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll see you tomorrow for the news.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.